Welcome. This is a demo project I'm building to improve my skills. The front-end and integrations were implemented by me, and in this demo I'll show you how the platform works. Let's start with the landing page. Here, users get a quick overview of the platform, its core purpose, and the main features before signing in and accessing the dashboard. Let's start with the authentication system. First, users can sign up by entering their organization name, first name, last name, email, password, and password confirmation. After registration, an activation email is sent, and the account must be verified before logging in. Users can also sign in with a magic link. They enter their email address, click Send Magic Link, and then open the secure link sent to their email to sign in instantly without using a password. Users can also enable multi-factor authentication from their profile settings. Once activated, the system sends a one-time verification code to their email during sign-in, and they must enter that code to complete the login securely. Users can also register a passkey from their profile settings. They create a new passkey, scan the QR code with their phone, and save it. Later, during sign-in, they enter their email, choose the passkey option, scan the code, and log in instantly. If users forget their password, they can select Forgot Password, enter their email address, and receive a reset link by email. From there, they can set a new password and sign in again. Next is the invitation system. From the dashboard, an admin can click Invite Teammate, enter the user's email, display name, and initial role, then send the invitation. The invite will appear as a pending invitation in both the Team tab and the dashboard. Once the user opens the invitation email, they complete the setup by entering their first name, last name, and password, and then the invitation is accepted. Next is the RBAC system. After inviting team members, admins can assign or update each user's role based on their level of access. And they can also control the member status by setting it to active or suspended. The platform includes 4 roles: org admin, who can manage members, invitations, audit access, and organization settings; workflow editor, who can create and manage workflows without team administration access; operator, who can operate the workspace and review activity without managing team access; and viewer, who has read-only access to the workspace dashboard and profile tools. Now let's move to the workflow system. To create a workflow, go to the Workflow tab and click Create Workflow. The setup starts with 3 steps. Basic info, where you define the workflow name, category, and purpose. Trigger setup, where you choose how the workflow starts, either by webhook, manual trigger, or an internal event such as ticket.created. And finally, review, where you confirm the configuration before opening the draft. Once the workflow is created, you enter the editor. The editor is built around 3 main parts: trigger, condition, and action. The trigger defines how the workflow starts. The condition defines the business rule that must pass before execution continues, using options like field path, operator, and comparison value. If the condition does not match, the workflow ends cleanly without running downstream actions. The action defines what happens next. In this platform, actions can send an email, send a webhook, create a task, or update a record field. The workflow editor also supports drag and drop, so you can visually arrange nodes and connect them to define the execution flow. Next is the profile page. Here, users can manage their personal account details, including their full name, email, phone number, time zone, job title, department, and bio. They can also change their avatar and update their password. From the security section, users can enable multi-step email verification for extra protection and register passkeys for faster passwordless sign-in. The page also shows the current workspace context, including the active organization and assigned role. Finally, the danger zone allows account deletion, with safeguards in place to prevent deleting the last org admin account.